Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today I want to show you the set of 3 different luggage pieces that this brand sent to me for this video. Things that you can see right here before I show them to you in a closer look is how smooth these ones are. This comes with the 2 spinner wheels, the 360 wheels, so you can actually see that this one's gonna rotate all 360, so you can go on the side, you can go front, you can go back. You don't have to drag them, so that is really cool. And this one is gonna be the 28, the 24, and the 20 inches luggage set, all TSA approved. You're not gonna have any issues. Even the carry-on meets this standard, so this one's gonna be your good carry-on for traveling. Which also, by the way, each one, let me actually see, this one is right here. This is the opening, and this one for the carry-on, you have an expandable, so you can expand it a little bit if you also want. So that is really, really cool. And by the way, all these ones are gonna be super hard cover. Let's check them out. So you have the full set starting with the 28 inches, super smooth. Of course, you also have the hard cover. You also have the lock over here, which I think it is really cool to have. Check it out. You're gonna put it just right here, just like that. Let's actually lift it up. I think it's locked right now, if I'm not mistaken. So 0, 0, 0. That's gonna be the first one. Let's go to the other side, just like that. And then we go right here. Let's go. So we do this, just like that. This is 1. This is 2. So these 2 are now gonna be locked, just like that. So you have this one, which is locked. You're gonna put your own set of numbers for sure, and then that's gonna actually free it up. It also comes with the handle on the side. You have this retractable, and each one of this one is gonna actually repeat all the features. You have the retractable handle, and let's actually put it down on the side, just like that. So open that one, and you have the first one, which is gonna be not only pretty big, but also have the divider with the mesh for like the bathroom stuff. And you also have a security mesh pocket over here. And also you have the strap for putting things, just making sure that they're gonna be all set secure there. So that's gonna be a really big one, a nice one. But not only that, you also have, besides the small one, same type of features repeat in this one. 2 spinner wheels, the handle, front, back, side, the locks right here, and it gets inside just like that. So you won't have any issues in case that you want to take this one all somewhere else. Let's open it up so you see this one better. I have the strap out, and you're gonna see the same type of features in this one. What we're gonna do right now is we're gonna put the baby one right here, which is the 20 inches, fits right there perfectly. That's gonna be your entire set. So it fits right there. And we're gonna put it just right here, setting this one down, just like that. We put the strap in, put this one in. So for storage purposes, that's gonna be your way of storing this entire set, just making sure that everything fits in one single place, just like this. I'm gonna actually go all the way down. And once we're down, we'll put the lock right here. If you want, we'll put the locks, and we're all set with this fantastic 3 pieces set that it will be protected at all times. Like it, 28, 24, 20 inches with the spinner wheels, all with the locks, all with the double handle and the retractable one as well. This one right here, which is gonna be your new luggage set.